Hello and welcome to another walk-around review with us here at Subaru Saskatoon, located at 471 Circle Place. Today we are looking at Consumer Reports' most recommended model, the brand new 2024 Subaru Crosstrek. This is a Crosstrek Wilderness in Alpine Green that sits on 17-inch wheels and has seating for 5. For the lighting, there are LED steering responsive headlights and LED fog lights, and comes with Subaru's award-winning EyeSight driver assist, which includes pre-collision braking, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and lane keep assist. Also noteworthy is the 9.3 inches of ground clearance, greater than most of the half-tons on the road today. The Crosstrek Wilderness is powered by a 2.5-liter engine that produces 182 horsepower and paired with a CVT and Subaru's Symmetrical all-wheel drive to keep you safe and in control no matter the conditions. The left side of the steering wheel includes controls for the radio and Bluetooth, and on the right, cruise control features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and sport mode. Moving over to the center dash is an 11.6-inch infotainment screen that displays the backup camera. It also has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Located on the bottom of the touchscreen are the climate controls. And moving even further down is a wireless phone charger. Plus, down by the gear shifter are the heated seat controls. In the rear of the Crosstrek Wilderness are USB-A and USB-C charging ports, 60/40 split folding seats, and an armrest with cup holders. A quick look in the trunk shows that it provides a spare tire with tools, a recovery hook, and a good amount of cargo space. The Wilderness is known for smooth highway driving, but is also built for outdoor adventure and rough terrain. Notable is that an additional trailer tow package will allow the Subaru Crosstrek Wilderness to tow up to 3,500 pounds. Thanks again for watching another review with us at Subaru of Saskatoon. Stop by or give us a call and set up your test drive with our sales team today.